Welcome back to the Cape Coral, Fort Myers, and Southwest Florida online tour. Today I'm coming from Northwest Cape Coral, and I got this beautiful listing my wife just got, and it's amazing, okay? It's a modern style, as you can see, has a silo garage, tiled roof, beautiful driveway, and wait until you see the inside and the pool, okay? Let me tell you a little bit about this home. It's 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths. The water and sewer are in and paid, so that's something very good to have when you're buying a home in Cape Corals. And also no flood insurance. So now let's go ahead and take a look at this beautiful home. As you come in, you're welcome with this nice living room that all the way on the back you can see the pool. So that's something a lot of people like. And as you can see, has a very nice fireplace, all porcelain floor all throughout the house, and very spacious. Check out this nice fan and the nice comfort ceiling above. Let me walk on to the other side to show you closer the fireplace. This fireplace turns on. It's really nice with a lot of colors. Also provides a really nice heat for the whole room in those winter days that we sometimes have over here in Cape Coral. We'll take a look at the pool later. Let me first show you more of the home. One thing that I like about this home, you check out the curtains. These curtains are all throughout the home, and they really do a good job of privacy. You could actually open them all the way up. You could actually close them or leave them like this so you could have some light in. The front door also has curtains in case you want more privacy. And all the doors, everything here has those type of curtains, and they're very nice. Now let's take a look at this beautiful waterfall island here. And like I said before, it's all quartz. Everything, all the bathrooms, even the laundry room has a tub, all quartz, the same. So it's really nice. Over here, this will be your pantry. And this is the laundry room. You have your washer and dryer here. And here to your left, you have also your sink with a quartz top. And now let's go ahead and move to the garage. Like you saw at the beginning, it's a silo garage. And as you can see, the floor is all with epoxy, very nice. And you have a beautiful glass door that leads out to the yard. That's very unique. It brings a lot of lighting to the garage. You also have those windows over there that you could actually see. Also, it brings lighting to the garage. So it's a very fancy garage. So now let's go ahead and continue with the house. Well, let me stop here. Let me close the door. Let me close here and show you this other closet that is inside this laundry room. There's a closet right here. That's where you probably will keep up your laundry detergent and your cleaning supply and all that. So it's nice to have. Okay, now let's go ahead and take a look at bathroom number 1. As you can see, you have your quartz top, also with your acrylic European cabinet style, and your beautiful design on your tub with your glass entry. This is bedroom number 1. You can see it has a pretty good sized bedroom. This home has 4 bedrooms, and all the bedrooms have really decent size. So you have your closet over there on the back. Now let's go ahead. This is the thermostat here, but let me show you now bedroom number 2. Okay, this one they have it just filled with miscellaneous things in this home. So then they're planning on moving. So, but as you can see, the room, it's a really nice size. Now let's go ahead and take a closer look at the kitchen. You got all this European cabinets. They're acrylic. They're beautiful. I mean, they're very nice, and they're very modern. And here you got your sink that you can actually see. You have the whole living room in front of you with the TV. So if you have a big family, it's a nice nice layout. Let me show you here the cooktop and the two ovens over here. Everything stainless steel. And now over here, this will be your dining room area. Take a look at the curtains. Like I said before, they're very nice. You could have them like that, or you could actually roll them up and just see the whole view. But I like them like that because it gives you enough light and privacy. So now this also has a door to lead to the pool from this side here. Now this is bathroom number 2. This one does not have a tub. It's just a shower with a nice glass entrance also. And you know, the same that goes through all the bathroom with a quartz countertop and European cabinets. Now this is bedroom number 3. If you can see, it's a similar size than the other. Let me move around here so you can see the size. And that's the door that leads to the pool from this side. Look how beautiful this home is. Tell me what you think. Tell me if you like it or not. I love the door. Okay, now let's move ahead and go into the master bedroom. Check it out. Nice size. And the porcelain tile all throughout the house, like I said before, it's just beautiful. Like I said at the beginning, this home has the water and sewer paid off, so you don't have to worry about that. Actually, this neighborhood got it not too long ago, and the owners decided to go ahead and pay for it. So it's something that is something very good. If you're purchasing a home, that's something you really have to look for. If you already have water and sewer, and if you have it, how much is your assessments? If you're buying the northwest side of Cape Coral and some areas in the northeast also, you have to make sure, because those areas just got the water and sewer not too long ago, and they could run into the thousands that you're gonna have to pay later on. It goes into your taxes. Check out this beautiful master bathroom. Check out the European cabinets again with your quartz top, and this shower. Let me see if the video does a good judgment here, because I mean it's really nice. I mean, the things I can get back to show the whole thing at one time. So let me just first show you one side. You have your nice rained shower here. You got your hand spray and your controls here, and on the other side you have the same thing. So it's a shower for 2, and check out the nice drain. Also, you have those square lights, you know, windows that brings a lot of lighting to the bathroom, and it provides privacy, because this probably you have to be 8 feet tall so you can be looked out of the window. So it's really nice. Now over here, that's where your toilet closet is. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the pool. One more look at the living room, and now let's go ahead and take a look at the pool. This pool has a little alarm here, door. So when you open the door, you got the alarm. So let me turn it off. That's for safety. Okay, now let's go ahead and take a look at this beautiful backyard. Check out this beautiful pool. And you can see the backyard has plenty of space around the pool, and you also have this really nice aluminum fence all around the home itself. And when you really look at, you know, a home like this, 2022, it really gives you more than a new construction, in a sense that you get your aluminum fence, electric shutter, the curtains, and all the things the new owner has added to it. So tell me what you think. Do you think this home offers more than a 2023 with all the things that the owner has already put on the home? And let me show you over here. This lot home here also has a bigger lot than an average lot in Cape Coral. This is a 85 lot wide, that most of the lots in Cape Coral are 80 feet. So the advantage is that you're able to put these double doors where you can bring a boat, a truck, or even a trailer you could put on the side of the home. So that's a nice thing about this home. Now we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the beautiful summer kitchen. It's right here to my left. As you can see, you have a stove, a refrigerator, a sink, and it's all really nice here. Everything ready for you to do your cooking outside. If you're like frying a fish or something and you don't want to smell the whole house, you come out here and cook it. So that's really nice to have. And this lanai area here offers a lot of space for people to sit down and relax. Also the shutters, as I mentioned, this has remote control shutters that you could open and close all these shutters whenever you want for privacy, or if you're going on a trip, you could put all your furniture like is here, all your furniture inside, and then just drop the shutters and everything's nice and protected in there, so you don't have to worry about anything. And on this side over here, you have that door that I showed you at the beginning that leads to the pool. That could be also your door that leads to the bathroom that's right next to it. So if you're in the pool area and you need to use a bathroom, you could use that. Also, if you want to take a shower before you go in the pool or after you go in the pool, you could take it here outside. He also has this shed here that has all the pool toys and equipment in it. So that way you have something, you know, to keep all your lawn stuff and pool equipment. And on this side here, let me show you. See how wide also is on this side. It's not as wide as the other side, but it's still pretty nice wide. You're pretty far away from the other home. Over here, we're gonna get closer to take a look at this pool equipment. As you can see, there's the pump, the filter, and your pool water heater. So it's nice that you have that water heater, because sometimes in the winter it gets kind of in the 50s and 60s, and it's nice to have warm water when you go in the pool. Over here's your AC system for the home, and you have this door. That's the door that leads to the garage that I showed you before, that lead outside. That's the door. And then you also have the convenience of having this door here, and you just open it up and you can just go outside. It's really nice also, like if you're having a party or something and you don't want all the guests going through the middle of the house, so you can actually come through here and they all go ahead to the backyard. So that's nice to have. And now here's that door from the garage. It's a glass door, very unique. So, well, if you would like to know the price of the home and more information, feel free to go on the link below. You will have a full report and the status of the house, if it's active, if it's pending, if it's closed. So that way you get the most accurate information. You click on it and you will see the price there. Okay? I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more videos, I'll give you more videos at the end of this video right now. So hope you like it. Please give me your comments and likes, and see you on the next video.